good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are, nationwide, worldwide, netwide. Welcome pong muli sa ating Wednesday edition ng Pilipinas Ngayon Na. And because our distinguished guests are already here, especially the ones live, and we have one another via Zoom, I'd like to turn you over now sa nag-iisang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Lady Eliza, take it away.
Thank you so much sa iyo, aking Yusek Robert. Hello, mga Kaaliw Channel 23, mga ka-DWIC, at mga ka-Pilipinas ngayon na, kumusta po kayo? Siyempre, as usual, masaganang biyaya po at umulan na pagpapalang araw at buhay ang alay kong dalangin at pagbati para sa inyong lahat mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Saan man po kayo naroroon, ano man po ang inyong pinagdadaanan, pakatandaan lamang po natin na mahal po tayo ng Diyos. Maya paagat panapon sa Kapampangan, naimbag nga malem sa Ilocano, masanto siya nga rem sa Pangasinan, marhay na hapon sa mga taga Bicol, maayong hapon sa mga taga Visayas and Mindanao, tsamag kuya binda Batanes Islands, mayad nga hapon sa mga taga Aklan, maupay na kulop sa mga taga Samar, Buenas Tardes, sa mga Chabacano at sa ating mga kababayang Muslim across the globe. Peace be upon you. Assalamualaikum. And because Pilipinas ngayon na can be seen and heard worldwide, please let us greet you hello at random languages. Hola, aloha avakea, merhaba, guten tag, bonjour, zdrastuyte, ciao, ni hao, konnichiwa, annyeonghaseyo, namaste, xin chào, prin haunda, grüezi, Yusek Robert.
Yes.
Exciting ang hapon
Yes.
ito. Napakaganda na ating pag-uusapan.
Yes,
It's
and
all about-
especially lahat po ng mga nanonood sa atin here and abroad, para malaman nyo how to mitigate, how to be able to see the red flag pagka merong mga hacking sa inyong mga account, especially sa inyong mga credit cards and all others. Tutok lang po kayo because two of our distinguished guests will discuss about that.
Yes. So, syempre, unahin na natin yung nandito sa studio. Nasa aking kaliwa, isang maginoo. Isang maginoong founder and CEO of Glion IT Services and Consulting. Please help us in welcoming Mr. Noel Guevara. Sir Noel, kumusta po?
I'm actually intimidated, shocked. But Lady Eliza and Yusek Robert, I'm very, very happy to be here, privileged, humbled, and ready to.
Yes, excited po kami
Yeah.
to share nyo about how
Maraming salamat po.
scamming
Yeah.
Maraming salamat.
online. At
Yeah.
yung isa rin nating guest, related rin ang kanyang negosyo. Mukhang online din to eh. So, ready na siya via Zoom. Please also help us in welcoming the owner of Links Digital, Mr. Mark Santillan. Hello, sir.
Hello po, good afternoon.
Hi. Okay.
Hi,
Good
good afternoon.
afternoon,
Hi, Mr. Mark Santillan.
Yeah.
Okay. Please,
Tama ba? Links Digital.
Apo.
Okay.
Yes sir, yes sir. Thanks,
Okay,
Digital.
okay.
What is Links Digital about, Sir Mark?
Well, basically, Links Digital come from the word links because our company really want to links your business into your real market online using strategic online marketing, digital marketing, and a lot of stuffs in online marketing.
Which means to say you really need the services of our
Yes.
special guest on studio today, si Mr. Noel Guevara, because he is the expert in cybersecurity.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
please stand by and
Yeah.
listen to what he has to say about cybersecurity, scamming, and hacking.
Yeah.
Sir Noel,
Alright,
bakit
alright.
nga ba kahit na iisipin natin nasa digital age na tayo, patuloy pa rin yung mga issue. Kami na lang yung pamilya namin, mga kaibigan namin, nagiging biktima ng hacking or scamming or phishing or vishing, whatever you call it. Sa madaling salita, naloloko sila online. Bakit
Yes.
po kaya?
Okay.
Sige po. Okay. Mahirap talagang sitwasyon today and ang simula po niyan is over time, nung panahon na wala pang masyadong nakahack, we've already started to advise people and companies about these future trends that will happen.
Okay.
And it's always a human nature. Human nature pag if they haven't hit their pocket, so to speak.
Yes.
Kahit na ano ba ang sabihin sa'yo na baka mabangga ka, hindi pa naman eh. Pag walang nangyayari sa'yo, you don't care.
Yeah.
At the moment something hits you, then you start right now, you start wondering what's going on.
Yeah.
I think in the digital
World.
we call it digital world. I think I should begin by saying not everyone is aware that billions of usernames and passwords, not only in the Philippines but the entire world, are already posted in the dark web.
You
When
mean
you
we
say
are all
dark web,
exposed?
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
When you say dark web,
That
Dark web?
this is parang kuweba ng lahat ng mga pangalan,
Correct.
information, and data about a person.
correct. Our legal internet, which we use our browsers to surf the internet, that's the legal way.
Yes.
The underworld
Okay.
It's
is
called
called dark web.
Dark
So
web.
you even use a special software to install that. But may warning yun. The moment you install it, be careful because the moment you get in, it's difficult to get out or you'll be part of that underworld.
Ayun. Okay.
That's number one.
Okay. O, bago tayo mag number 2, Mr. Mark.
Sir Mark, ano
Sir
po
Mark.
masasabi
Yes, sir.
niyo dyan?
Are you aware na merong underworld?
Yes, sir. Actually, a lot of my clients are actually experiencing those kind of phishing.
Ayun.
Oh,
See?
okay.
Totoo pala.
Okay.
Okay.
So, what to do,
number 2.
Sir Noel? What is the
So-
basic thing to do to at least prevent us
Or
from
mitigate this.
So
being hacked?
Okay, so what happens is the moment companies are started to feel they want to protect their network, they want to protect their data.
data?
The traditional way 10, 20 years ago was that companies invented antivirus, they invented firewalls.
Yes.
Yes.
Those are the two most common solutions that were effective noon.
Before.
Before. But over time, hackers have become so good, so innovative that they can already bypass.
Oh.
The firewall.
It's so how do you call it? It's so scary
Oo.
na when I joined, when I contacted my foreign partners, especially in Australia and in Israel, they said, Noel, if we want to penetrate any company, we know they have the firewall, we have the antivirus. They don't have to tell us. We can enter anytime we want. Can you imagine? But they don't do that because they're professionals.
Oh.
So sila, you want me to check whether your network
Yan.
is secure?
Yan.
Yeah. Okay. You want to check whether your network is secure? We can get in anytime. So this diagram shows you data breaches still happen. Why? Because hackers
Don't break in.
don't just break in actually. They log in.
Oh.
They break in first.
Okay.
But have you heard any hacker saying, "Hey, na-break in ko yung ganitong kumpanya. Masaya na ako."
No, they log
Hindi.
in. Meaning,
They get in and they
Meaning-
steal the data.
Yeah.
Look.
Ayun.
So on that diagram, as you can see,
exposed.
yung network niya, yung infrastructure from the inner side, you call it yung mga servers, web servers, app servers, even the test systems ng mga software developers, the databases. Ang laman niyan, kung titingnan niyo po sa diagram na yan, meron silang nag-iisa, dalawa o common databases. Ang laman ng database na yan, pangalan nyo,
Yes.
pangalan natin, address,
Birthdate,
phone number, birthday,
phone
and everything.
number, yes.
And guess what? The hackers are actually looking at, they don't brag about going to the firewall, they don't brag about it. They brag about getting that database.
Ayun. Yun ba yung hacker?
So-
yung
So-
may katabing
nakamake?
pera.
Yes, yes.
Oo.
So, dahil naka-login, meaning they have the password and the username.
Yun.
Yes.
Paano nila nakukuha yun?
Yun,
Okay.
because,
Oo,
perfect
bakit
question.
expose
Nakukuha
ang
yun.
data natin?
Big-
Yung bang mga binigyan natin ng data na yon ay sinishare yun?
No,
sa
no,
ibang-
no, no.
Okay.
The hackers
Okay.
are very, very good over the years that they already invented. They've already developed malwares that they plant. That when they get in,
Oo.
they plant it there. Guess what? Pag sign up ka, kunyari, bagong member, username, password,
Yes.
may mga tinatawag na keyloggers na automatically yung username mo nakita, ang password mo, pag clinic mo, automatic doon sa ibang countries, nasusulat na. Tapos na. Keyloging lang.
na.
Tapos
Okay.
na. So over time, ang iba naman, hindi sabi ng mga hackers, hindi nakalimutan kong i-record yung password niya. Pupuntahan ko, guess what? Meron na tayong library ng hundreds of thousands and millions of combination of passwords. Guess what? We will just guess 1 million passwords. Ibu-brute force natin yan hanggang sa makuha yung tamang
Brute
password.
force.
What
Brute force.
do you mean brute force?
Ang ibig sabihin, pwersahan. Ibig sabihin,
Pwersahan.
pag naglagay ka po ng password na
XYZ.
dog,
Mahirap.
kunwari,
Yung
nilagay
kala
password
mo
mo, dog.
mahirap.
Doc.
Madali, dog.
Oo.
Doc.
Seconds, kuha na nila. Magigess na nila yan. Nasa library na. May library na sila. Kung mahaba-haba ang pangalan, cat and mouse, it will take a few minutes. Mas mahaba pa, meron na pong ano yan. There's already a calculation on how long
They can get
Lalo
it.
na
short
with the
to-
help of the AI.
So automated na yan. They already have
Automated
powerful
na.
computers. They call it black box. Meron na.
Black box.
Nako-compute na kung ano yung mga susunod na combination.
That's the reason why billions of usernames and passwords are in the dark web. In fact, later on, because we are in a non-disclosure agreement,
Yes.
Yeah.
we cannot publish it dito, but offline,
Okay.
makikita nyo na, sunod-sunod nandito. Makikita mo, wow.
Okay.
No
Tanungin ko lang
wonder.
si
Mr.
Mr.
Mark
Mark.
Santillan, ano pong masasabi nyo dyan at anong ginagawa nyong mitigating measure with your clients kung paano nyo malalabanan itong scamming and hacking?
Go ahead, please.
Well, actually, in our side naman po, since we are managing Facebook pages, a lot of, maybe po naka-experience na rin ko someone who pretend to be a Meta support service or customer service. They send you an email wherein you're going to log in your credentials. And then, that's the time when you log in your credentials po, that's the time that they can get your database, your username, your password, and then they can use it so that you will be hacked na po. And then your page they will take over all your Facebook pages, your accounts, everything. So, ang advice ko po sa mga client ko is whenever they see a link or someone sent a link, I do suggest that they have to verify if it's coming from a legit source. Like for example, if there are someone who's pretending to be a Meta or a Facebook customer service, then they just send an email, tapos i-click lang po nila. So that's they're very prone to what we call yung pag-phishing ng mga informations nila.
So,
I do
so
suggest-
that's what you call fact checking.
Yes
Is
po,
that
yes
one
po.
way? If pina-fact
Yes.
check nyo,
Yes po.
by the way you're telling us now.
Yes po.
Paano? Mga innovative na nga rin daw, kagaya ng sabi ni Sir Noel, ang ating mga hackers. So, nababypass din nila yung process na yon. Sir Noel, paano ang gagawin?
Ito na ngayon, since patalinuhan na eh.
Yes,
Oh.
patalino.
So over the years, hackers keeps on fooling us.
Mm-hmm.
Baliktarin na natin. Let's
Yes.
fool them this time. Let's fool the hackers.
Okay.
That's the way we do. Because because at the end of the day, hackers will only look for the data because data is money.
Yes.
Data is the new
Oh, yun.
oil. Okay.
Okay,
Sir Mark is
says
agreeing.
So
Oh.
if
Yes
you
po.
click on the next slides,
Next slide,
can you
please.
show it? Let's focus on the database na
Yan.
doon yung pangalan.
Problem.
Data is
Ayan,
readable,
readable
Data
everywhere.
is readable
Nakita mo yung mga
everywhere.
hackers, masaya. We are happy.
Oo nga eh. Nagtatalunan sila doon sa photo eh.
Data and
is
storage.
readable to internal and
External.
external elements in web, app, and DB servers.
servers. So yun yung hindi nakikita ng common tao. Ang mga
Okay.
nakakaalam lang diyan, mga IT
IT experts.
IT admins.
Okay.
Kagaya ni Mr. Mark.
So
Okay.
Yung data and storage, data and transmission, yung via mobile networks, via internet, or even habang ginagamit.
Data
habang
in
nag-
Oh, data in use.
So next slide.
Next slide,
Next
please.
slide. So, ayan. Ang mga investment kasi ngayon na Yusek, Lady Eliza, are yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, na nung panahon, nag-invest ng firewall, nag-invest ng antivirus, plus other, even two-factor authentication. Imagine, yung
Yeah,
OTP
two-factor
is
authentication.
already bypassable.
Bypass.
Yung OTP.
Yes, of
no,
course, a
yung
friend
nangyari sa atin.
who was hacked just yesterday, nireject niya ang OTP but still, naubos
Nakapasok
ang
pa
pera
rin.
niya sa bangko.
Oo.
Well,
See? So, OTP is
okay.
not anymore.
Okay, so let's not focus on the
Strong.
problem. Let's
Okay.
focus on the solution.
Okay,
Okay.
how
So
do
the
we...
next slide, please. The solution now is to
Okay.
Okay.
to
So yung strong
configure-
password ba, is it useful? Strong password?
Next
na-
slide,
Oo nga,
please.
doon nasa kanila,
keylogger
no?
lang eh. Kuha
Andun
na
na
eh.
andun na eh.
Brute force lang eh.
So,
Black box.
Yan.
Right. If all cyber measures are bypassed,
What happens next?
Ayan. Hello. You can, in-highlight lang na pag nakapasok yung hackers, they can now steal the data.
yes,
Ayun.
the data.
Wala. Wala.
Okay.
Diba?
Okay.
Wala na.
Oh,
So next,
wonder why.
Paano mo mapoprotektahan ang data mo? Paano
Okay,
mo
next.
gagawing encrypted?
okay, next,
Okay.
Yes.
Next slide.
Next slide, please.
Oo.
Yan.
Yan ang solution.
Okay.
Solution.
Sir Mark, are you still there? Are you watching us?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Solution is de-identify or scramble the data everywhere.
Dinagdag ko yung word na scramble kasi yun ang alam ng mga Pilipino.
Yes,
Yung
yes.
Scramble na
Igarbol.
kain.
Igarbol mo siya.
Scramble.
Scramble mo siya. Igarbol
Parang
mo.
scramble.
Guluguluhin mo. Sa madali sila. Mali-maliin mo at guluguluhin mo. Parang ganon.
Americans are
Okay.
fond of sexy words. De-identify.
Yeah,
you know.
de-identify.
Tokenize.
Yes.
Pseudonymization.
Yeah.
Anonymization. Those are
Okay.
techniques to scramble data.
Ayan.
So, yung mga yan, yung if you look at the green, makikita mo yung name niya, hindi na name.
Oo nga, no? Parang mga...
Garbled na. Yung
Okay,
email is already garbled.
Yes, yes.
The moment the hacker sees that on your database,
Hindi na siya tutuloy.
kukunin niya pa ba yan?
Mahihirapan siya. Diba? Turned off na siya.
Garbled na, alis na siya.
Yeah, he'll look for
Fast.
another target.
Wala na po.
Pass na siya. Another target.
In fact, others are even skeptical by saying, Noel, what if they do a double encryption? I said, guys, if the hackers see that's already encrypted and scrambled, why would they encrypt it? Pang-asar lang, but it's okay. I mean, it's okay. He did not get anything.
Yes.
You can you have the backup, restore it back. No problem.
Yeah.
Okay, tanungin ko ngayon
Do
si
you
Sir
agree,
Mark.
Sir Mark?
Mark.
Until yan?
Yes.
Sir Mark, you can watch
Yes, sir.
the slide, no? Do you do that too?
Yes, actually, sir. Yes,
Ayun,
yes.
very
So
good.
Especially when it comes to online banking, like that, we do it.
Yeah, to protect your clients
Yes.
from being hacked.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Wow.
So you're updated on these new tools, no? That,
Yes, yes, sir.
One way to mitigate or one way to discourage mga hackers is scramble the password and the data
Passwords,
like
yeah.
you're cooking a scrambled egg. Tama po?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
Sir Noel, so do you think this AI
Let's go to AI.
made everything easier?
Yes. Yes, actually, when I used AI when I asked questions that need to be answered by an employee, I just type the questions and they give me the answers.
True.
Yes,
How about
correct.
you, Sir Mark?
Yes,
You
actually,
think
sir, it's-
AI is beneficial? Or is it a
Yes,
big
sir, it's-
tool or a big help?
It's really, really a big help, sir, especially to those business owners. Like po sa amin, we can actually save a lot of money in terms of course, there's an advantage and disadvantage. Advantage of that is that we can have it firsthand. So we don't need
First
we don't need someone to do it for you. So you can have it on your phone, on your computer, as long as you have internet. And the disadvantage of that is that yan nga po, they replace people, like just like po sa akin.
Yeah.
Before, I tend to hire copywriter, someone who do copywritings and the
Yes.
Facebook pages, the captions. So from when I was able to integrate AI, yun na po. So I do it myself na lang. Then I just let AI do its job.
Oh,
And so,
yeah. So that
you don't
way-
need a copywriter anymore.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, one job loss pala yun.
Yeah, na-replace
Yes, actually.
nung
Replace ng
AI
robot.
yung manual labor nung
Okay,
Capital
Sir Noel.
Yeah, Yusek.
Oo.
Actually, we want to look into the laws, di ba?
Yes,
Batas.
yes.
There was-
Yung law, sinasabi ni Senyor Pacheco.
Oo. Actually, with regards to data scrambling or
Oo.
the technical word is encryption.
Oo.
It's actually found in the two laws. One is the Bangko Sentral Manual of Regulations for Banks. It's called MORB.
Okay.
And it has been written in there. It's like an
Voluminous.
encyclopedia volume. It's found in Appendix 75. Appendix na nga, 75.
Okay.
The title is IT Risk Management Standards and Guidelines. And I can just read here that on Guideline 2.6 on Information Security, they
Okay.
said they should follow the Data Privacy Act of 2012 under Republic Act number
Okay.
10173.
Alright,
Okay.
ibitin muna natin.
Eh, bibitin
Sir
natin
Noel,
yung
kasi
end.
pa.
Ibibitin
time
natin
na
yung
for
end.
Alright.
stamp.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Para hindi sila aalis.
Huwag po kayong alis, magbabalik po ang Pilipinas ngayon ang pagkaraan lamang.
Pati ka, Sir Mark, ha?
Ilang mahahalagang paalala.
The time for your convenience is now 2:25. Don't go away. We'll be right back. An advance happy birthday sa amin pong attorney Dimples of GSE Law Firm. Tomorrow po yan. She's our corporate secretary sa RPN 9 and member of the board. And another member of the board is Tintin Rosales, who's the daughter of Madam Kichi Benedicto.
Blessed happy birthday.
And may you have many, many more birthdays to come, Attorney
Yes.
Dimples and Tintin.
yes, yes.
That's for tomorrow.
Yes.
All right. So, balikan lang natin yung number 2 na sinasabi
yung
ni Sir
law
Noel.
na binanggit mo kanina.
Okay, sige po. Yung dalawang batas from Bangko Sentral
Okay.
and the second law was from the Data Privacy Act.
Okay.
Sa Bangko Sentral MORB or Memorandum of Regulation for Banks, Appendix 75, na-mention po doon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times yung word na encryption.
Encryption.
Encryption. Sa Tagalog, parang balot.
Balutin mo.
Balutin mo, yun.
Protektahan mo.
Hindi yung kay
Parang
Sharon,
ganun.
ha?
Oo nga, hindi.
Okay, kasi ang analogy po niyan,
Okay.
bumili ka sa 7-Eleven,
For
Yes.
example.
Coke,
Yes.
ilagay mo sa balot. Malalaman ba na magnanakaw na bumili ka ng Coke?
Oo
Ang
nga,
makikita niya lang,
nakatago.
balot eh.
Oo.
Pero, mahinang proteksyon yun kasi pwedeng nakawin. So para magandang proteksyon, kung may binili ka, para hindi ka agad manakaw, ilagay mo sa crate. Diba?
Okay.
Pero kung gusto mong para hindi manakaw, ilagay mo yung binili mo sa vault.
Okay.
Susian mo pa.
Yun ang pinaka-strongest, vault. Okay?
Susian
So,
mo pa.
so ngayon, ang nasa batas yun na dapat ginagawa yun ng mga, nasa MORB, dapat ng mga bangko, at ginagawa yun ng mga, sa National Privacy Commission, yung non-banks, governments, and private
Other
enterprise.
agencies.
Oo. So, ang problema na lang po dyan is how strong, when you stress test the ballot, when you stress test the encryption, how
Gano ka
Gano'n strong?
strong.
hindi penetrable.
Yes, hindi na
Impenetrable.
Yes, kasi kung lalalim tayo ng konti sa technology.
Gano'n ka infallible,
Kasi
kumbaga.
pag in-encrypt mo po 'yan digitally para may susi. So ang mga hackers matatalino talaga. They also know how to encrypt. And the encryption key has a decryption key.
Okay.
Pang susi. So ang mga nag-i-encrypt noon, even ngayon, nag-i-encrypt, yung susi, nilalagay lang sa gilid. So yung hackers, naka-encrypt to hanapin ko kung saan nakatago. Pag nakita ko yung encryption key, readable. Pag gamitin ko, madi-decrypt ko na.
Ayun.
Wala rin.
Okay.
So kumbaga sa parang nilagay mo lang sa balot ng 7-Eleven, nakuha mo rin yung
Yung
laman.
susi nilagay lang sa gilid nung ano.
Pero kung ang encryption key mo sa stress test, in-encrypt, hanapin ko yung encryption key. Wow, naka-encrypt din. Paano ko i-decrypt? Yung link niya pa, naka-encrypt pa. Wow, matindi to.
Okay.
So,
Tanungin natin si Sir Mark. Mark, you're still there, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you
Yes,
do
sir,
that?
yes.
Do you do that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
How do you do
You
that?
for your clients?
When it comes to, for example, in the website management, I do have this separate emails. For example, we have this an email for the database that we use and the email that we use for the transactions. So we have the business email and we have the admin email. So what we do is when we use the admin email, we encrypt it with encryption. Like for example, the email is covered by another email which is like yung kayo na pong example ni Sir Noel, yung may mga letters, yun po yung ginagawa namin.
Oo. So
As
effective
with
ba? Do you think
and when
that's
it comes
effective?
Yes sir, actually.
So ano sabi ng client nyo? Napoprotektahan nyo talaga?
Yes sir.
That's good to know.
That's good to know.
Oo na.
Oo.
Walang
Pero ngayon, kinuwento na natin yung lahat ng hackers na nanonood sa atin, alam na rin pala yung gagawin nila.
Kaya dun sa slide na hindi na sila masaya, malungkot.
Oo.
Yun
Yes
yung
po.
ano nila doon because
Oo.
sa mga defense the highest
Ayan, no?
the highest agencies who use encryption are the
Military.
Military.
So nalaman ko one time, sabi ko bakit kayo bumili ng encryption sa amin?
Oo.
Noel, alam mo ba na kahit kami naglalakad lang sa isang park sa New York Central Park.
Yes.
Nag-email ako, I had a good walk at Central Park. Weather is good. Pinadala ko, readable.
Readable.
Pag na-intercept po yun ng kalaban,
Hackers. Oo.
alam na kung saan siya matatagpuan.
kahit na naglakad ka nga lang,
I-decode.
i-decode nila yun.
Yun.
Bibigyan nila namin eh. Pero kung in-encrypt mo yun, Yusek, lady, wala, ano yung pinadala mo?
So, yung palak parang coded.
Kasi coded. Pwede
Coded.
i-decode nga. No?
Wala.
Dahil everything they do, they code it.
Yes.
Those codes, di ba? May meaning. Eh.
So, kung
Encrypt.
gusto
Bago.
kong malaman kung nasan yung mga anak namin na ngayon 18 and 24 at naglalamierda na, kailangan makakuha ko ng code.
De, meron nga yung location sharing. I have it with our
Okay.
son. Alam ko
Okay.
kung
Iba
saan
naman
sila
yun.
naroon.
Oh,
Alam ko. Location
okay,
sharing,
okay.
sinishare nila sa akin kung nasan.
So, okay. Sir Mark, can you
Yes,
please
sir.
tell our viewers where they can see you or
Yeah.
where they can access you?
Yes.
Not the hackers, ha?
We have our Facebook page, Links Digital, and Links Digital Marketing Services. So you can send us a message as well as my Facebook page, Mark Santillan. Yan po, you can reach out. And the number is 0955-253-9426.
Oh.
We
All
are based here
right. Oh, yes,
we are
please.
based here in Palawan, but we
Uy,
cater.
you're in Palawan now?
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Kumusta kayo?
Kumusta ang weather dyan po?
Ayos naman po. Mainit sa umaga, maulan sa hapon.
Okay.
Oh, so hindi nyo i-recommend bumisita kami dyan sa mga beaches dyan?
Recommended
Ganda ng
naman, sir.
El Nido,
Of course.
Okay.
El Nido, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
So pagpasyal namin dyan, silipin namin office nyo.
Oo. Paano,
Yes, sir, no
paano
problem.
pagsabi ng magandang hapon dyan sa Palawan, Sir Mark?
Mayad nga po.
Mayad nga po. Mayad nga po
Yes.
sa inyong lahat dyan sa taga Palawan. Thank you so much, Mr. Mark Santillan,
Thank you
for
so
your
much.
precious time. See you again soon, ha? Oo.
Yes, po.
Magkakaroon tayo ng part 2. See you soon. Thank you and God
Ma'am,
bless.
pwede mo mag-flex muna ako kay Philippine Finest.
Yes.
Hi everyone, I'm Mark Santillan. Thank you so much to Philippine Finest Business Awards and Outstanding Achiever for recognizing me, or the Links Digital for our award. We are very excited na po for your event at Hexagon Events Place this September na po. See you guys!
All right,
Congratulations!
in advance, Mr.
Thank you so
Mark
much.
Santillan.
Thank you so much po.
God
Have a
bless
great
you
day.
more and more. Magbabalik
Babalik
po
po
ang
ang
Pilipinas
Pilipinas
ngayon
ngayon,
na pagkaraan lamang po ng ilang mahalagang paalala.
The time for your convenience is now 2:45. We'll be right back. Don't go away.